In this video, I will guide you how to insert picture in a box in MS Word. This is very simple and easy. Let's get started. First, you need to click on the insert on the top menu bar and click on the shapes. And here you can select the rectangle shape. Draw the rectangle shape. So now right click and go to the format shape, and here you need two options, line and fill. First you need to click on the line and select the solid line of your and select the color of your choice. Increase the thickness from width, it's up to you. So here is the dash type, different options are available, you can select any of them, but here I'm selecting the straight line. And now go to the fill and select the picture or texture fill. So now go to the insert and click the from a file and select the picture. I'm selecting this one and select insert. And now you can see that the picture is inserted in the box. Moreover, when you rotate the picture, you will see that only box is moving, picture is not rotating. So how you can do that with the both image and text box removing? For this you need to click on the rotate with shape. Click on that, and now you rotate it, you will see that both image and the text box is rotating. You can resize it and place anywhere on the page by dragging to left or right. So in this way you can easily insert picture in a box in MS Word and rotate with the shapes. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.